Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and this is my channel where I uploaded multiple videos on English language. So you can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, and you will find multiple videos where I've spoken in the English language. So this is the very easiest way to speak English because that is how I build confidence and I build fluency in my English language. So today I've chosen one picture for speaking in this video. So if you are a beginner here, so you can basically see my previous video where I uploaded multiple topics for speaking. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So I'm going to start it from like I'm going to start with this picture because today I have chosen a topic. First, let's see we need to find out why, what, where, how, where, when. So these are all the things we need to find out from this picture, and then we need to build a strong story. So let's jump into this video and let's see like how much I'm able to convert the story basically. So as I'm checking out this picture, basically, I'm finding that there are four friends who are sitting behind of a college, and they are waiting for waiting for some sort of lecture, and along with that, they are also happy regarding getting basically good grade of one of his friend, and there is all you can by face you can judge like there are different nationalities are there in this picture. So one is Asian, and the second one is you can say Korean, and the third one is African, on the fourth one is as a native. So these are all the things as can reflect it, and they all I think talking about his friends. They I think they all are waiting for his friend's birthday party, and they just wish him like happy birthday, and then they all are waiting for the birthday party, and just his friend is telling no, today not, it's my birthday basically. So he's just trying to getting out, but yeah, they find out, and so they are wishing them a very happy birthday. And then they are also studying, and I think they are planning to basically have a party after completing the classes. And yeah, this is all about the picture which I'm able to calculate the scene basically. So today that is it, and this is very interesting, and I feel I should need to do these all activities very frequently, because that is how I didn't feel I make mistake and I just stuck while speaking. This is very natural, and you also should need to do the same thing, because if you want to basically learn English language, so you need to start it from the picture, because that is how your brain works more fastly, because if you see in one picture you can elaborate all the things in your mind basically. And so that is how the things works. If you are learning vocabulary words, that is very difficult to understand and basically to memorize them. So yeah, this is very difficult. So just finding out like why, what, where, when, how. So these all the things are very important. And so today that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.